If you love this aloo chaat, you got this spicy aloo chaat quick and easy. Start with some cube aloo potatoes and oil for seasoning, salt, red chili powder, cumin powder, chaat masala and toss it properly and pop it in air fries and wait for golden and crispy. Take some Greek yogurt, whisk with sugar, red chili powder, jeera powder and pudina, salt and chaat masala. Mix it well and time to lay out. Set the mixed yogurt, add some pudina chutney and sweet tamarind chutney and then layer with your crispy air fried aloo and some crushed papri. Then layer with again mixed yogurt and some pudina chutney and sweet tamarind chutney. Then put some aloo top of it. And then season with some chips, jeera powder, chaat masala, and here we go. Like, share and subscribe my channel to know more chatpata recipes.